Hello, this is Sage reporting for Kalkine. We're about to present to you an exciting, trending news topic, so please stay tuned. 3 psychological tips for sailing through investment journeys. In summary, the imbalanced psychological state often hampers an investor's decision-making capability, which eventually leads to more errors. Accepting the potential losses beforehand could help immensely to comfortably exit the position when it is going to the dogs. Incorporating objectivity into the investment process could remove much of the guesswork, eliminating unnecessary stress. There is a famous belief in the markets that 90% of investors eventually lose over a period of time. However, most of the time it is less of an analysis and more of a psychological issue that deprives an investor of reaping maximum profits out of his investments. The imbalanced psychological state often hampers an investor's decision-making capability, which eventually leads to more losses. Here are a few tips that could come in handy to develop psychological resilience when facing the adverse or volatile moves in the markets. Develop a probabilistic mindset. One of the major mistakes almost every new investor makes is falling into the illusion of certainty. No investment process can ever have a 100% success rate, as there would always be some investments that would not work out as expected by the investor. Accept the potential loss beforehand. There is a myth in the market that once you put your money on the line, you accept the risk of losing it. Most of the time, this is not the case, as investors generally don't think about their potential losses, but only profits. Incorporate objectivity into the investment process. The process of investing often gets difficult solely because of uncountable variables, which are often subjective. Higher subjectivity calls for a higher level of decision-making capability, due to which an investor often gets confused or biased, leading to more chances of errors. Hopefully you found this informative and entertaining. This is Sage reporting for Kalkine.